There is a problem every YouTube creator faces, and the problem is called the thumbnail dilemma. Have you spent over 3 to 5 hours designing a thumbnail for a YouTube video, and when you upload that video, the video flopped? The click-through rate was very low and the views was very low. I've been in your shoes before. I've even tried using AI to create perfect thumbnails, and the AI created nothing even better. I was tired, I was depressed because my video is not performing well, and I did a lot of research. And while doing research on how to create YouTube thumbnail, whether manually or using AI, I found a tool called Thumbs AI. Thumbs AI helps you to create YouTube thumbnail using prompts you give to it, and it also uses the avatar you upload, and it can create different type of expression using just one avatar that you upload. I don't want to talk too much about Tom's AI. Let me show you the practical way on how to use Tom's AI.
So guys, we're currently on the interface of Tom's AI. You can see I have like 486 credit over there. For you to use the best of this website or application, you need to get credits or upgrade to the pro version. Now to create your thumbnail, you need to go to create thumbs, and you can either use text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. But first, now I want to show you something is my face and emotion. So currently, my face and emotion, what it does is that you're going to upload your avatar. Whether that could be your face or someone's face you're trying to use for the thumbnail. This is my original face over here, and I used it to create different type of emotions. But I'm going to show you now. What you got to do is just click on upload. Then you select the image you want to use. You're going to wait for it to upload, and you're going to type the name. I was going to put Isaac. Then let me look for the emotion I'm trying to use. The emotion I'm trying to use is Isaac surprised. Okay, use Isaac surprised. Then we'll scroll down, select surprise, we'll click on generate. It's going to deduct 2 credits from your main credit. I think when you sign up, they're going to give you free credits, but as you keep on using the tool, the credit is going to dust and you need to upgrade. So that is why upgrading is actually necessary and important. Then you click on generate. So guys, as you can see, it has created an avatar for me as a surprise, and this looks like me, but the eyes is kind of weird. But you can also use prompt to create an avatar. All you need to do is just type a prompt. So let me just upload my image again. I'm going to type, I don't know why I'm using crying, but if you check the promotions created by them, there's nothing like crying over there. I want to use something intriguing. Okay, it has uploaded, and click on generate. It will deduct from your credits. So guys, as you can see, I am crying. Let us see the image. Tears is falling down my eyes. Enough with my face and emotion generator. Let us create the video thumbnails. So what you're going to do is come on create thumbnails, and we're going to be using different style of it. We're going to use text to thumbnail and image to thumbnail. Enter your thumbnail prompt to describe your video. So basically, I already have like prompts I've generated already. So paste it. So you add your face. If you want to add your face, scan your face, but you damn know that I'm going to add my face. I'm going to use the original now because it's going to create a new emotion. I don't want to use an avatar that already has an emotion. So I'm going to click on original. Do I need to clone anything? I don't need to clone anything since I've given it a prompt. Then you can choose variations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to create 6 variations, and in the aspect ratio, you can either do for short or normal YouTube long form video. And I'm going to click on generate thumbnail. As you can see, 12 credits for these particular generations. For you to have this unlimited credits or credits for you to create thumbnails, you need to sign up for the pro. As you can see, our thumbnail has been generated. I love this one. I love some. So it's going to give you a ranking for the thumbnail, the thumb score. As you can see, this one thumbnail score is 78, 83. This one is 64. This one is 82. And this one is 71 and 72. As you can see, I've also done some other variations before. So guys, we're going to be using the other feature in AI. This is the image to thumbnail. I'm going to be using the thumbnail directly from YouTube. It is a Mr. Beast video. And I'm going to just use the URL and grab thumbnail. So the thumbnail is loading right now. I think the video is about I stranded 100 people in the wilderness for 250,000 US dollars, and I'm going to change it to something different. I want my face to be there. I'm going to put 6 durations. No, we need to use it for A, B, and A and B testings. I'm going to click on generate thumbnail. Wait for the thumbnail to generate. So guys, as you can see, the thumbnail has been created. It's created a cartoon variation. Mr. Beast over here. I don't know why my face is not there. As you can see, this is my face, and this is other developers' face, as you can see, and this is my face at the middle, and this is me also here. And well, the thumbnail needs a little bit of working. I don't know, maybe because of type of thumbnail I uploaded, it not really creates to my taste, but I'll choose this one. This one should be good, as you can see. Love this one. It's very, very, very perfect.
I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope Tom's AI would help you in your creator journey to create good, eye-catchy, and curiosity and eye-converting thumbnails to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube video. If you want to use Tom's AI, click the link in the video description and sign up and start using Tom's AI. Tom's AI gives you free credits for a starter, and once your credit has been exhausted, you can upgrade for pro version. And so if you feel like Tom's AI is like a good software or tools for creating thumbnail, you can pay for the pro plan and upgrade your plan so you can start using the best out of it. And also, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, I created a tool called Tube Utility that has over 25 plus tools that can help you with a lot of things you need for your YouTube channel, and you don't need to pay for high expensive tools like vidIQ. Very, very expensive, especially for creators in Africa or small creators. You're not there making money, so you need something that is going to be free for you to cut down cost of production. Link of Chip Utility is in the video description. Click the link and use all our tools to test it out. And if you have any tool suggestions, you can suggest it out. And if you have any feedback on the tools, you can give us the feedback. How we're going to work and improve on that. And AI is coming to Tube Utility. You can be able to audit your YouTube channel on Tube Utility, and we have some other AI tools coming to Tube Utility in the next coming month, 2 to 3 months. We're still finalizing that with the developers and the tech guys, and once it's out, we're gonna let you know. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video.